Hi guys, this is Dr. Daulton from Hammond Chiropractic, and today I'm back at Fuel CrossFit in Crown Point, Indiana with my friends here. We're going to be doing a video for you today about the rowing machine. This is one of the very best cardio exercises that you can do, whether you're doing CrossFit or going to the gym or wherever it is that you're exercising. But the reason that I like it so much is because it's a very good full body workout. Now, when I first started rowing, I thought you just sit on the machine and you just go for it, right? But that's not it at all. In order to get the full benefits of this exercise, you have to make sure that you do it properly. So today, our friend, Coach Dustin from Fuel CrossFit in Crown Point, he's going to be teaching you the ins and outs of how to do this exercise properly. The good news is it's very, very simple, but if you start doing this on a regular basis, you're going to see a lot of benefit from it. All right, Coach Dustin, go ahead and take over here.
All right, guys, so today we're back and we're going to be talking about some rowing technique. All right, we're not going to dive too much into what we're actually measuring on the screen, just some good form and some things that we can do to make our rowing a little bit more efficient. So the obvious things is that I want my feet strapped in and I want the handles firmly in my hands. Some of the not so obvious is what we're going to be doing with our legs, arms, and back. So you want your legs to be fully extended at the back end of your pull, and your arms should be fully extended at the front end of that pull. As your legs start pushing you back, your arms will slowly start to pull back. When your handle gets to about your knees, you really pull hard and slightly lean back to generate power. The key is getting your arms and legs working together. There are some wrong ways to row as well, and two big mistakes I see is one, somebody not fully extending and trying to come forward before the arms have finished the pull. This will lead to a short and choppy row. And then two is just not coming forward and only trying to use your arms while you row.